Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin sitting at 55,953. We came to a high of 56,000, almost 57,000 last night. 2.06 trillion. Volume a little bit dropping off, but big bounce, double bottom from that low at 49, and then just huge climb back up. After that, fear and greed is still at 17, extreme fear, which is interesting. Funding fee is almost negative, and again 55,964. We just wicked down to 55,800 on the minutely time frames, but quite a lot of volume. We had a bigger drop off from 57 down to 56 from 57. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'll also read your comments. Let me know in the comment section any tickers you'd like me to analyze down there. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. I'm also going to show you my $500,000 account that I'm trading as well in this video. I'm sorting it. Tesla was up a little bit, down in pre-market. Google was up a little bit. MCRT 1.4, Nasdaq 1% up, Ethereum 1%, Doge 2%, Pocket 3%, Bitcoin 4%, Meta 3.8%, World 4%, Uni 7%, Solana 10%. Huge bounce back in the markets. I was buying Uni, Solana, World on the bottom, which is beautiful. And Bitcoin, we're sitting at 56K. Let's go into the weekly time frame. Always start on the longer term time frames first. We broke that 1 year trend line. Volume still strong. Stochastic is ranging after that dump. It's like hard. It's unknown how much it's ranging, the stochastic, because it wicked so down. Bitcoin indicator bot still a blue buy, which it fired in the beginning of 2023 at 20K. Still a blue buy now. Crypto guru bot fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy. And our golden cross is close to, oh no, we opened up again, which is beautiful. Let's go closer onto the daily. Daily time frame, stochastic oversold, heading up, huge volume, stochastic heading up, and huge volume on that sell-off day. That was the all-time high volume. The only other day we had one more day that was higher volume than that big drop on Sunday and bounce, which we had 563,000 Bitcoin derivatives traded. That was the highest volume day. The only other day was back in 2022, the bottom of the bear market was the other day that we had such big volume on the FTX crash. See, back here in 558K on the 9th of November 2022 and the FTX crash when Bitcoin came down to 15,000. That was the only other day we had such high volume. And then today we had massive buying volume come in. 208,000 Bitcoin bought, stochastic heading up. That looks like the second wave is finished. Now second to third wave, which is the biggest of the impulses, is in effect. Let's see if we manage to break through 72K with this impulse. Let's go closer onto the 4 hourly. Actually, I want to see on the daily what the indicator bot's. Crypto guru bot fired a sell, too close on the daily. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell before the drop, didn't fire a buy. Any major pattern I'm seeing? We're below the 200 moving average. Big support at 48K. Not seeing any other major pattern there. Let's go close onto the 4 hourly. 4 hourly, no huge pattern, just this big V-shaped recovery. Hourly, also V-shaped recovery. Little bit of a rising wedge, but again, V-shaped recovery. Now, where is the major support to go long? If you haven't gone long yet, trying to catch, I would say major support was at 53. So this is our strongest area of support now here. 53. So if you want to catch a trade, taking it from 53K, tight stop loss, and then taking it up to 72K, and then let's see if Bitcoin can break through. That's the safer trade I'd take off this major area of support. This one here, you can see here is the major area of support. And the second one we've got is that one that we already hit yesterday. That's our at 48 on Sunday. So that's the riskier trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Opening at 53,135, stop loss 52,340, and take profit 72. Risk to reward is 24 times, risking $782 to make $19,000 per Bitcoin. With 10x leverage, it's $190,000 worth of Bitcoin. That's the trade I would take. So risking, again, it's risking 782 to make 19,000. With 10x leverage, it's 190,000. That is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. And to be honest, after that drop, I would take that trade here just to be safe, to see how the market will react. Now I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath the video, go down below. Under the video, you'll see the links to the exchanges. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements if you use that link. Actually, now it's $60,000 bonus. Take the crypto master course to learn all this and to understand if you've been losing money in the markets, if you lost money on that dip, if you weren't trading it well, if you want to learn how to trade, learn how to make money on the dips, take the crypto master course to learn all this, and then join us in the Telegram. There's a few thousand, there's a few hundred traders on at any one time in that Telegram. These are some of your, and this is my Bybit account, 554, big bounce back. From yesterday, we came to a low of 530 and then bounced back to 554, which is beautiful. It actually came down to 480 during the dips, but I bought the dip really well. My Bitcoin trade is still negative 8,500. Average price, it's a $316,000 trade. Funding fee is negative, so I'm not paying the fees. And again, look at the buyers. So even though I'm still negative, look where I sold Bitcoin. So this is when I told everyone I'm selling at 66K. And then we dropped down, and these are where most of my buyers activated, right near the bottom, a lot of them, but still I'm slightly negative, even after the bounce, still negative 8K on this trade, but I picked up a lot of Bitcoin there. Over on spot, I also picked up a lot of Ethereum. You can see my Ethereum buyers that I purchased right on the bottom almost, which is beautiful. And Uniswap was the same, managed to get a lot of Uniswap, but I had bought it up at $6.50, so I haven't recovered, but I bought a lot of it down on the bottom as well. Same with World, I managed to get close to the bottom buys on World, around, actually no, it was around $1.60 where I picked up some World, around where we are right now. And that's a breakdown. My asset breakdown, up 11K on spot. My assets are World 4%, USD 30%, 28% Bitcoin, 13% MCRT, 11% Uni, 6% Doge. So I went heavy into Bitcoin during that sell-off. Let's look at some of your questions. James, you're the best. Love you, brother. Following you from the USA. Thank you, Mustaf. And everyone, share your country, your flag, your name, your country flag, where you're from, or what city. What do you think about the next move? I just shared it now. You're awesome, dude. I think we're going to recover up after this, actually, unless the war escalates. You are awesome, dude. Please analyze Dot if possible. Okay, Dot, I'll keep. Can you review Doge? Already in 15K profit because of you. Bought World under $1.40, following you from 5K. Love your prediction, James. APT. So we've got Dot, APT, World, and Doge. Arslan, thank you. What about Pocket? I haven't bought Pocket yet. I want to see a strong support. That sell-off was a nice area to start accumulating, I think. Your videos became my 5 a.m. routine. This is the best place to start the day. Thank you, Dabri. What about Pocket? So many questions. Good morning, bro. Good morning. I didn't buy Pocket yet. Crazy stuff on the market. It's not over yet. Good prediction this last week, buddy. When we have start of the videos from Sunrise again. Nice point. I haven't made Sunrise videos in a long time. We'll start doing. Next time, I'm going to listen to your Spider Sense. Totally waste of unrealized gains the last 2 months, almost 20K. Just learn from the lessons. You paid 20K for a lesson. Don't forget that. LOL, love your channel. Love you too. Good morning, James, watching from the UK. Congratulations on 83 subs. Thank you, everyone, for following 83,000 people. Let's do Doge. Let's try and do Doge first. I still hold Doge. How much Doge do I have? And did I manage to pick up Doge on the bottom? I think I did. Doge. So this is my Doge buys. Yeah, look, I picked up some Doge during that drop-off. I bought it at 9 cents. Came down to 8 cents. It's still sitting around where I bought it. So let's do Doge on technicals. Doge 9.6. Ooh, massive descending triangle. Actually, I thought that would play up. Okay, so 8 cents was strong support. But this is a huge descending triangle that's formed on Doge. Maybe it's more like that now after this dump. So it can dump further. Possible. 7 cents would be a great place to long Doge. If you're going to try and catch a great entry, I would wait for some maybe escalation to the war or something like this to catch a low entry on Doge. And then target descending wedges work like this. They build pressure on a descent, and I'll try and do Dot. builds pressure, and then breaks out the base of that wedge, that distance there. So if this was to take place, Doge will take us... Now wait. Doge will take us to 19 cents if we manage to break out there. So I want to add more at 71 cents. So I'm going to... How much Doge do I have right now? I have 30,000. Let's add 5 more thousand of Doge right now. But I don't have much cash. Let's convert it from Bitcoin that I have. So I have a bunch of Bitcoin, Doge BTC. Am I able to Doge BTC? No, so I need to sell. Okay, so I'll buy 5K of Doge as we are right now. At the current price. 5K. And I bought $57,000 of Doge. And then I want to buy some at that support, which was at 72 cents. I want to open the derivatives long on Doge. Doge derivatives long on 0.072. So at 0.072, I want to open a let's do $10,000. No, I want to do a 30. Oh, that's by cost. Yeah, this is by cost. So at 0.072, I'm going to open a 20x long on Doge. But the stop loss is 0.6. Very low stop loss. Okay, I can add more margin. So 10K, so $200,000 trade at 0.072 on Doge. So that trade is now set. And I bought 5,000 Doge right now. And I want to sell 5,000 Bitcoin to... Oh, okay, I'll keep it as that. That's my updates in the market, everyone. And over on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. I've got 85,900 followers, almost 86,000 followers. Bitcoin, biggest crash in Bitcoin history. 8,600 people saw my video. Yes, 11 hours ago, the USDC Treasury minted 250 million USDC. Magicraft always welcomes all traders, investors, and gamers to come to our MCRT ecosystem to play and earn income with MCRT. This guy said, I lost so much money in liquidations over the past few years that right now the only reliable place I can make money is playing Magicraft. Play to earn is going to be crazy. Tesla China reported the strongest 12.5 insurance registrations over the week of July 29 to August 4th after 5 weeks of 3Q. Tesla China is now 39% and 23% year on year in production. So it's the best start to China's quarter in developing Teslas ever before. There's a 230,000 MCRT giveaway. Check it out on Magicraft. You can play Magicraft and earn income with MCRT daily. This is him earning MCRT on the blockchain from playing games. You can do it as well. Check out that on Twitter. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's my updates. Don't forget, join us in the Telegram. There's 137 of you online discussing together. All the links are down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell, subscribe on the video so you get notified. Let me know in the comment section any questions, your country that you're from, your city that you're from, or any tickets you'd like me to analyze. I'll get to Dot tomorrow and Tesla. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see. And also, I'm going to release a video with Lark Davis. He has a few million followers. We had an interview yesterday, which will be amazing. That will come up in 8 hours. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.